Welcome, all of you. Here is another presentation on a Western school of philosophical thought, that is pragmatism, जिसे हम प्रयोजनवाद कहते हैं. Here we will throw some light on various dimensions of pragmatism as a philosophy of education. Points to be covered here are an introduction to pragmatism, प्रयोजनवाद दर्शन कहाँ से आया, fundamental principles of pragmatism, प्रयोजनवाद के मुख्य सिद्धांत, प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ एजुकेशन, प्रयोजनवाद के शैक्षिक सिद्धांत, एम्स ऑफ एजुकेशन, शिक्षा के क्या उद्देश्य हैं, करिकुलम, पाठ्यक्रम कैसा होना चाहिए, मेथड्स ऑफ टीचिंग, रोल ऑफ अ टीचर, डिसिप्लिन, एंड फाइनली we will deal with major contribution of pragmatism. The term pragmatism originated from Greek word pragmatikos, which means practice. Pragmatics means to practice. हम कह सकते हैं व्यवहारिकता, किया हुआ कार्य, परवाहपूर्ण कार्य. इसे हम कारणवाद भी कहते हैं, क्रियावाद भी कहते हैं और अनुभववाद भी कहा जाता है. एक और नाम इसको दिया जाता है, वो है व्यवहारिकतावाद. In English we call it instrumentalism, experimentalism. An eminent thinker says that pragmatism is activity, engagement, commitment, and encounter. It is an American school of philosophy. Pragmatism is an American school of thought. The philosophy of pragmatism is an outcome of the history of American nation. The Puritans had come to settle in America. As the place was new to them, they were confronted with lot of problems and were unable to find solutions to those issues. The chief problem that they had to face was related to adjustment to novel situations, and they had no previous experience of it. They were in search of ready-made solutions, which led to the origin of the philosophy of pragmatism. They held the view that there is no fixed value. They concerned themselves with human life and its problems. They believed in facing the actual situation, what we are and what are problems in this present situation. How can we find solutions to such problems? These problems are discussed in this philosophy. C.S. Peirce was the originator of this philosophy. Proponents of pragmatism, प्रयोजनवाद के समर्थक, दर्शन के रूप में इस वाद को लाने का श्रेय C.S. Peirce को जाता है. Charles Sanders Peirce was the originator of pragmatism. Other major supporters of this philosophy are William James, John Dewey, Kilpatrick, and Schiller. According to C.S. Peirce, विलियम जेम्स ने इस बात का अर्थ लगाया है कि मनुष्य का लक्ष्य कर्म है. फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ प्रैग्मैटिज्म, प्रयोजनवाद के मुख्य सिद्धांत. सभी मूल्यों, विचारों एवं निर्णयों का सत्य व्यवहारिक परिणामों से ही जाना जा सकता है. इट इज अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ लाइफ. Pragmatism criticizes both idealism and naturalism. It is against both these philosophies. Pragmatist does not accept the ideals in life. It also ignores supernaturalism and spiritualism. It is not concerned with absolute values, does not believe in fixed and eternal values. It is a pluralist and humanist philosophy. Pragmatism emphasizes human experiences. Man creates his own values, which is still in making. मनुष्य की भलाई और उसकी समस्याओं को सुलझाने का कार्य philosophy करती है. It is dynamic and ever-changing philosophy. Pragmatism is of the opinion that philosophy comes out of educational practices. There are no fixed and standard values. Values change in accordance to time and situation. Actions establish values. This philosophy is based on psychology of individual differences. Principles of education according to pragmatism. प्रयोजनवाद के अनुसार शिक्षा के सिद्धांत. Education is preparation for life. शिक्षा जीवन की तैयारी है. शिक्षा अनुभवों का पुनर्निर्माण पुनर्रचना करने वाली प्रक्रिया है. Action is supreme, thought is subordinate. Pragmatism emphasizes action rather than thought. Thought is essential for action as it creates meaning for the action. Next, they say that education should be based on individuals' aptitude and abilities. Individual development must take place in social context. Pragmatism stress on environment. Naturalists also favor environment, but the environment is supported by nature. Pragmatists do not find any solidarity in nature. According to them, environment is created by man. It is not already existent. मनुष्य सामाजिक प्राणी है. सामाजिक कुशलता का गुण मनुष्य में आना जरूरी है. Education to be based on real life experiences. For idealists, education is the dynamic side of philosophy, but pragmatists are of the viewpoint that education comes out of philosophy. It is based on real life experiences. Aims of education according to pragmatism. प्रयोजनवाद के अनुसार शिक्षा के उद्देश्य. शिक्षा में पूर्व निर्धारित उद्देश्य उचित नहीं. तात्कालिक समय के अनुरूप शिक्षा के उद्देश्य बदलते रहते हैं. No fixed aims of education, but aims are created according to the situation and in accordance to the need and necessities of the child. Life is dynamic and hence aims of education are bound to be dynamic. Next, they say to enable the child to develop new values. Values are created by man himself in the light of his experiences. Education to put a child in such an atmosphere so as to enable him to create new realities and values for himself. To direct the impulses, interest, desires and abilities towards the satisfaction of the felt wants. Next, they say to develop social efficiency. Education to aim at generation of social efficiency to enable them to solve problems efficiently and completely. Education to enable child to be fairly adjusted to his existent environment. He must benefit himself and also benefit the society as well through his actions. So, another aim of education is to cultivate dynamic and adaptive mind. Curriculum according to pragmatism. पाठ्यक्रम प्रयोजनवाद के अनुसार. The curriculum is constructed in accordance with the aims of the philosophy. Pragmatism lays down several criteria for curriculum construction. It should be based on the principles of utility, interest, experience, and integration. Principle of utility. Curriculum to provide only that information which is beneficial to the student, subject to impart practical knowledge and useful skills to the student. Principle of interest. It should be constructed in accordance to development stages and individuals' interest in life areas. Principle of experience. Curriculum should stress on child's own experiences in life. Book learning is not preferred. The activities must be purposeful. Next is principle of integration. Pragmatists believe in the unity of knowledge and skill. Subject-wise independent teaching is not preferred. It is against teaching subjects in watertight compartments. Rather, all the subjects should be integrated. It advocates language, history, geography, physics, mathematics, science subjects which helps to solve practical problems of life. Child's nature, interests, tendencies and his impulses should be considered. That is related to principle of interest. All education is learning by doing based on child's experience. This is principle of experience. Integrated knowledge to be given rather than subjects in watertight compartments. This is just the repetition of the above stated principle. Methods of teaching according to pragmatism. What are the methods which the philosophy of pragmatism advocate? Pragmatism do not prefer to teach on traditional lines. The emphasis here is on the child and not on books, not on the teacher, and not on the subject. They believe school is pattern of social action. So these are the methods which they would prefer by which teaching should be done. First is learning by doing. Learning through personal experience. Merely theoretical knowledge and facts are not at all accepted by this philosophy. Learning should have experience as its base. The child should be put into real situation through education. He should be enabled to study those situations intelligently to solve them completely. Next, they advocate problem solving method, project method. Project method has been advised by Kilpatrick. He defines a project as a whole-hearted, purposeful activity proceeding in a social environment. The child should be told of the task to be performed and why to do it. It may be individual or social. Project method involves principle of social relationship, division of labor, accepting responsibility. Action rather than contemplation. They emphasize on action rather than thinking. Next, they emphasize on experimental method. It holds that knowledge is gained only after experiments. Experiments help in cultivating dynamic and adaptable mind. Another scientific method which they advocate is inductive method, which is learning from specific facts, events to generalize things, and heuristic method, which is through discovery. Role of a teacher in the light of the philosophy of pragmatism. A teacher's role is to guide and put a child in the real life situation so that he may understand his real life problems and thereby to solve them. He should act as a guide, an advisor, a facilitator, a promoter to teach people to think, to do, to discover rather than to know, to suggest suitable problems to students, to motivate the students to solve the problems with facts. Discipline in the light of pragmatism. Pragmatists do not believe in discipline enforced by superior authority. Discipline should be based on the principle of child's activities and interest, that is, engaging children in free and purposeful real life activities. It should be based on social and mutual understanding. It believes in social discipline. Personal discipline is disapproved by pragmatism. DV advocate mental attitude discipline. He says that discipline is a mental attitude, and in order to maintain this attitude, socialized activities are essential. Play and work combined will enable each child to develop mental attitude discipline. Children should be left free to realize that disciplined mind and actions are part and parcel for human development. So, discipline to be backed by freedom and joy. Thus, we see that the philosophy of pragmatism brought about a great revolution in the field of education. The class no longer remain a place where students sit quietly to listen to the dictates of the teacher, but they became active. The activities and real life experiences gained prominence. They discuss, they plan, and experiment by moving around in the environment. With this, we come to the end of the video. Thank you.